This is one of my old prints, and I'm going to remove it. The lens, it's very similar. Removing this from the glasses is putting a lot of pressure on this this top corner up here and pulling it out. And while doing that, I use the fabric that comes with it, the lens cleaner that comes with it, and then I push against that part to pop it out. And that's more force than I'm really comfortable with at first, and then once I got to do it more, it's less. I think it takes more force out of theirs because theirs is made much better. They have, you know, the actual design files. I didn't. But then putting into the new set, I found that it was better to, so that's looking into from your eyesight. I found it better to notch it onto the back side and then push it inward on the last top part. That's how it was easiest for me. And again, I like using the fabric because then I'm putting less smudges on it as I'm doing this. But first, line up that first part. Trying to get those ridges to fit in there such that it's in, and then snap into place the other part. Making sure that I don't get the fabric stuck in here because I've done that several times too. Oof, that's not working right. Where am I? Oh, I see on the bottom I'm already on the wrong side. I'm not in the ridge, and that's why this isn't working right. So let's try to realign that bottom part, make sure I'm not outside. My lighting's really poor here. I should have had more better lighting. Is that right? Okay. Damn. Am I off? Oh man, I am off again. There. Now I can feel that I'm in the right spot down here. It's in the ridge. Yeah, much easier. Just pop into place. Now that it's in place, you can be able to see, if I can get it to focus for me. Oh, I can zoom out more. That would have been nice to know. It's incredibly hard to see. I'll take a picture of it, but there's the plastic of the lens is above the plastic of the print here. And same thing is true on this side. And when I was first trying to do this, I ended up pushing that further in than it actually was. Hopefully that'll help you get this done quicker. Oh yeah, let's look at that. So, backwards magnets, and slide off to be able to get it on and off the headset. And yeah, both of my prints today are loose on my prints. I'm gonna have to use wedges on both of them, sadly. And it's the exact same print as last time. Nothing changed. Just ended up at a different size because that's what 3D prints do. So while my prints are inside, I can slide. I'm trying to do this in such a way that you can see what I'm doing at the same time as I'm doing it, but that's actually rather hard to do. But if I'm just messing with the thing itself, there we go. You can see it's fairly easy to take them out. Because this lower print came out larger than my headset, I needed to print out the wedge and put that inside of here as well. And it can be a bit finicky to get that in there, but it's not too bad. Try putting in the print without the wedge, obviously, because, or first, if it fits. But yeah. On mine, I decided to put the magnets backwards. This is repelling me. It does what magnets do. And also with the visor on, because you don't have to have the visor off to make that all work.